Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. And for those of you who are new, welcome. And hello, my name is Cheyenne, and on my channel you will find tons of cleaning motivation and maybe an occasional cook with me or grocery haul. Just depends on my mood. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys my refrigerator, organize and declutter, mostly clean out and organize the fridge. I had to get rid of so many leftovers. So I'd probably do this about once a week. I didn't clean it too much though, like wipe it out, because I had just done that a couple weeks prior, so I don't do it all the time. But that's being honest. I probably should do it more so than I do, but I don't. Anyways, I do clean it out with the Dawn Power Wash. It actually keeps it pretty clean, so I'm not too worried about it. But anyway, I did go down to a Burke's that we have local, which is kind of like a Marshall's TJ Maxx store, which is pretty cool because we have nothing here in this town. So I went down there and checked out their fridge bins. I did buy a few, but I didn't buy a lot. So I have to kind of think about what's super functional for our family in the fridge. And let me tell you guys, it takes one person, one day to mess up the fridge with a family of 6. 5 of them who can actually get in the refrigerator on their own. So all it takes is putting the milk back in the wrong spot or the creamer back in the wrong spot. I mean, it drives me crazy. So, but that's life, right? I mean, life is full of messes, so that's okay. I'll just go back and fix it later when I'm ready. So anyways, jumping right into the video, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the fridge out and organize it, get all of the leftovers out, and then go from there.
Brand new street and brand new me, side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know, couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love.
So I got super sidetracked yesterday while organizing my fridge. There was so much going on. So I wanted to show you guys the after look of the fridge. This was also after I grocery shopped and brought home some groceries. So I did buy some of these containers. I did have some already, but I bought more from Burke's and I got a really good deal. I also prepped some fruit and a couple of veggies here just to have, so they weren't sitting in the fridge going bad. Leftovers, bread, cheese and meats, mostly pepperoni, but mostly cheese. There's blocks in there. My creamers, our juices, and apparently pitchers fit up here. So I did leave those up there. And then in the back of that, we have milks, all of our milks and stuff. And then just, you know, we could put whatever we want here. And these are all of our sauces. I always have this like this. I didn't really clean too much of anywhere else other than what I had already filmed because I was just like super sidetracked. There was a lot going on and I just didn't really have the time, so I will catch up on it later. But I didn't really do much with the doors, just kind of organized a little bit to be a little bit more functional. So yeah, that's what I did. I definitely need to go grocery shopping, get some more stuff, but for now, I mean, this is it. I also have a new bin for cheese, yogurt, and my butter collection because you can't ever have too much butter. These I plan on making this week, and then the rest of my produce and then, you know, lunch meat or whatever, I'll probably move that later, but this is how it looks. So yeah, like I said, so sidetracked. It was a Sunday, just everything going on all at once, plus cleaning. Like, I had to literally get rid of a ton of leftovers. It just got to be a lot. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the